Hello, friends. Welcome back to another show. I'm super excited that you are tuning in with me today. We are going to work on building today. So, we are going to use these materials that you see. These are called blocks. So, if you have blocks in your house that you can use, you will need to go and get them. So what we're going to do with these blocks is we are going to stack them on top of each other. That means you're going to see how tall you can make your blocks. So if you don't have blocks, you will just need to get something that you can stack on top of each other. These blocks are going to be used to see how tall you can make them. But first, you have to be able to recognize your numbers, okay? And then once you tell me what number you see, you're going to use that many blocks to build. So for example, I'm going to ask you, what number is this? You're going to tell me that's the number 4. Then I'm going to tell you to use 4 blocks and make a tower. So you're going to have to do this. 1, 2, remember we're putting it on top of each other. 3, we're making it taller. And 4. So there are 4 blocks and they're stacked on top of each other. Now I'm going to lay them down so you can see what they look like. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's what we're going to do today. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to recognize the number that I show you. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to match that number with these objects, which are blocks. So make sure that you have your blocks so you can help me. The last thing we're going to work on is using your fine motor skills. That means you're going to make your fingers strong by stacking those blocks. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so today we are going to go all the way to this magic number. This is a big number. Do you know what number that is? That's right. Some of you do, some of you don't, and that's okay. That's the number 12. Can you say 12? Great job. So what you're going to do is you're going to see if you can stack 12 blocks on top of each other. You do not lay them down on your table. You don't do it like this. You have to put them on top of each other. Make them tall, up to the sky. All right, so we're going to count to 12, and I'm going to stack my blocks with you. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh, you got to be careful so it don't fall. 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa, looky there. That is 12 blocks, and they're all stacked on top of each other. I hope you were able to get your 12 blocks stacked up too. And guess what? If it fell over, that's okay. Just push pause on the video and you can start all over again, okay? It's okay if they fall down, but make sure you push pause and start all over again. It's no big deal and no need to cry. All right. We're going to move on to our next number, and our next number looks like this. Do you know what number that is? That's number 8. You're right. we're going to count 8 blocks. And remember, we have to stack them tall. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Great job, friends. I hope you were able to stack your blocks to 8 too. Remember, if they fell down, that's okay. Just push pause and start all over again. Do you know what number this is? That's right. That's the number 2. So we're only going to stack 2 blocks. Are you ready? 1, 2. That's only 2 blocks. See? 2 blocks. Great job, friends. I know you're working hard. Do you know what number this is? That's right. It's the number 5. So we're going to stack how many blocks? 5 blocks. That's right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Great job, friends. So you should have 5 blocks too. My blocks look like this. 5 blocks. Stack them tall. Great job, friends. All right. Do you know what number this is? That is the number 7. It's okay if you didn't know. That's the number 7. So we're gonna stack 7 blocks, big and tall. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Great job, friends. You're doing a wonderful job. Remember, if your blocks fall down, that's okay. You can always press pause and start all over again. Do you know what number that is? That's right, it's the number 10. So we need to stack 10 blocks. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Uh-oh, mine's shaking. It almost fell down, but that's okay. All right, so we just did 10 blocks. And now we're going to move to our next number. Do you know what number this is? That's right, it's the number 3. So we're just going to stack 3 blocks. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. Just 3 little blocks. Great job, friends. Do Do you know what number this is? It has a circle at the top. I'm sorry. It has a circle at the top. That's right. It's the number 9. So we have to stack 9 blocks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Great job, friends. We just stacked 9 blocks. Woo! All right, do you know what number this is? That's right, that's the number 1. So we're only going to stack 1 block. 1. Ooh, this is a big number. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 11. So this time we're going to have to stack 11 blocks. Are you ready? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh, it's getting tall. 10. It's gonna fall. 11. Whoa. Yay! That is 11 blocks. Remember, it's okay if it falls. Just push pause and start all over again. You can do it. Uh-oh. All right. Do you know what number this is? It has a circle at the bottom. Do you know what number that is? That's right. It's the number 6. So we are going to stack 6 blocks. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Great job, friends. We just stacked 6 blocks. And our last number is this. Do you know what number this is? That's right. It's the number 4. So we're only going to stack 4 blocks this time. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, friends. That's actually the last number that I had because we counted all the way to this big number today, which was 12. That was the first number we did. So, if you enjoyed counting and stacking blocks with me today, guess what? You can watch this video all over again. And I hope you enjoyed recognizing your numbers as well. And remember, it's okay if your blocks fall down. Just pick them up and try it again. All right, friends, that's the end of our show. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.